Hello, AWBD Midwinter Conference attendees. Before you head out to Austin, there are some things you need to know about using the conference app. This video tutorial will help guide you through the CVENT app for all your content and materials at conference. You should have received your There's an App for the 2025 AWBD Midwinter Conference invitation email. This email is your ticket to access our conference app and website. The email will include 2 buttons to download the event app from the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. However, if you've used the conference app before, you are already on the right track. Now, open the app, use the search bar to type AWBD Midwinter, and click the download icon and arrow to get the latest version of the app. The page will then ask you for your first and last name and email. Please be sure to use the same email you used to register for conference. Once you've filled out your contact information, check your email for a 6-digit verification code. This code is valid for one use and expires after 24 hours. If it expires or you are logging in on a new device, you'll need to request a new code. Once you log in, you can build your personal conference schedule by selecting the sessions you want to attend. Each session includes a description, presentations, speaker bios, and contact information. Do not forget to ask speakers in the live Q&A feature under the session. You must click Add, or the plus sign, to add it to your schedule to ask questions. And just before you begin the day, make sure to check out our conference game. Calling all gamers, compete with your friends to see who wins the most points. And be sure to join the discussion on the homepage to see who clocks the most steps. What better ways to network and have fun at the conference? If you have reached the end of this video, you are officially ready for a successful time at the conference. Make sure to follow AWBD on all social media platforms and tag us in all photos using #AWBD. For additional assistance, check out the 4 Easy Steps guide on page 11 in the conference notebook, or visit the app help desk on the 4th floor of the JW Marriott near the check-in desk. See you soon in Austin!